What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today I'm going to tell you or show you how to install PowerShell 7.1.0. The preview point 1 was just released about 16 hours ago as of March 27th, 2020. So I'm on their GitHub page right here, and I'll go ahead and put this link in the description of the video so you can go to this one, or maybe even navigate up here to the latest one depending on when you watch this video. But we're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down past all these updates, and you'll find these assets, and these assets are where your installer is going to be. And based on your system, you're going to find the asset that's for you. So if you're a Windows machine, you're going to skip Linux, OS X, and go straight to Win, and then you're going to find what kind of CPU you have. So for example, Windows 86 or Windows x64. And we're going to download the MSI version of this just because it's a standard installer format, and these are all basically the same thing. So let's go ahead and click on that MSI, and we'll save this. And then we're going to go ahead and open up that PowerShell installer. And you'll see here we have the installer wizard. Welcome to the PowerShell 7 Preview x64 setup wizard. It's computing our space requirements. Usually this doesn't take this long, but I did install a new 4TB hard drive, so it might be kind of freaking out because of that. Alright, so we'll hit next, and the C drive is fine. And then we can choose what kinds of PowerShell features we would like to enable. I would not enable PowerShell remoting unless you plan to use it, because it can be a entry method for hackers. And if you want, open here context menus and Explorer, which you probably won't need unless you use PowerShell quite often. And if you do use it quite often, then it can be pretty useful to right click in any folder, open PowerShell here, and then it opens already in that directory. But for the most part, we're just going to use these first two and hit next. And then we'll click install. You might get a security window pop up, and you're going to hit yes. And you'll just wait as the installer finishes. Now if you have a 32-bit system, choose x86, but otherwise it's pretty similar to how we're doing it here. And then you have your finish. You can also click on launch PowerShell to go ahead and launch it and make sure that everything's working. And we see that we're in PowerShell 7.1.0 preview. We are in. If you want to launch it otherwise, you can type in PowerShell here, and you'll see that we have the standard Windows PowerShell, which I believe is 5 or 6, and then we have our current PowerShell 7 that just came out. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.